Hi, I'm Ron Jones. I'm with Restoration One of Winston-Salem in Greater Charlotte. I feel blessed that I was able to meet Spot On Solutions about a year into me owning the two companies. I'd already been through two digital companies that just weren't making the phone ring. I was lucky enough to meet Derek and his team and really understand that they knew restoration. With the previous two digital companies, I found out I was teaching them restoration. They didn't completely understand it. After spending some time talking to Derek, I actually found out that he was a previous owner of a restoration company, so he understood what I was dealing with on a day-to-day basis. His team have been excellent to work with. They've really been my number one lead source in the 3 years that I've had them as a provider. These guys have been great to work with. A couple times in a month span, I had situations where, not created by Spot On Solutions, but by outside entities. My GMB was shut down right before COVID. My website DNS got changed. With the larger firms, I never felt like I could reach out to the CEO, president of the company, and say, I got an issue. With Derek, I was able to simply give him a text, and within 30 minutes, he was on the call fixing the problem and had me back up and running sooner than any other company, I believe. If you're having issues with support, with talking with your provider, creating strategies, or just getting your phone to ring, I highly recommend you give Spot On Solutions a call.